Hello from rainy Slovenia again. I have a messy place because I'm playing the whole day with this reverse dips with metallics, and I will try to do I don't know. I'm thinking about reds, violets and orange. I don't know if this will work, but I just want to try. Or maybe just reds and oranges. Let's see. I will start with carmine, not cadmium red, but I'm thinking that maybe I will do it here. Oops, just a second, I have a blob. Where's my paper towel? Here it is. I have to put this blob here. And I will add some of this metallic rose on the top of this red, just for fun. And I will go with crimson. And some vermilion. I think that my vermilion is a little on thick side. And carmine. And now I will add this metallic antique bronze. And now I will add orange. top here too. I didn't put my lids on because I constantly do something, so I get some blobs. And the metallic gold, this one is on the thin side. I have to mix it again because it's not okay, but now it is what it is. And I will add red and orange here in the middle, and I'm just thinking, I just see that I don't have enough black paint on the corners, because when you put your saran wrap, you will push this. Maybe I will do just one leaf here and one here and one here, and I will maybe add this, a little of this antique bronze, and then brighter yellow, not yellow, green, sorry, sometimes I don't know what I'm talking. And I will try to do this and see what will happen. Let's grab my saran wrap. Wrapping. I don't know how to spell this right, but you know what I mean. I hope that you do. And now, because I don't have it in the center, I will have to lift up this wrap a little differently. I'm reusing this canvas, so if I will have to, I will add some paint on the corners or the sides, I should say, probably. And let's see, we'll just do this first because I just grabbed a little too much of this saran wrap, and then you have problem to lift it up the right way, so I have to grab this corner first. it's not completely what I want, but kind of like it. I will just put some black here on the sides. And now I will torch this. Reminds me on hibiscus flower so much. Don't like this part here, so I will try to push it a little bit. And I have some air bubble here that I didn't pop. You see? Just don't want to pop. But I think that it will. Just try to push a little of this bowl. I mixed it before, and I think that it's I know that it was too thin. What is with this air bubble here? Oops. Maybe I shouldn't have had this copper on the leaves, but now it is what it is. It's kind of minimalistic, but maybe too much of this copper, but this red and metallic rose are gorgeous together. The center is not totally okay, if you ask me. I know that some of you will say that it is okay, but I want it to be a little different, but now it is what it is, because my gold was too thin. But I think that I like it anyway. I will show you a close-up. I don't know which way. See this red, and here is it's more violet, but it's not. But I like this red cells on the outside and this lacing. Just the center is not what I was hoping for, but it's kind of nice. I don't know. I think that this way is the right way, but I can't show you because of the glare. See this beautiful lacing. Maybe I shouldn't have used this gold, bronze, or this gold in the middle. I don't know, something something is bothering me again, but I will wait, and I will probably like it a minute later, but I expected something a little different, so that's why I say that I don't like it. I like it. It's a beautiful hibiscus flower, I think. So maybe next time I can go a little more to this corner and do leaves without metallics, but I like this and a little bit bigger maybe, but I kind of like this minimalistic style. I don't know that it's not all on the whole canvas. So this is it for today. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe. If you didn't yet, leave me a comment, and see you on the next one. Bye.